Hi guys, once again I'm going to talk about ImgSEEK. I went over this the other day, but I'm going to try and talk in a bit more detail about how to add images in here. First of all, you've got the path. Path is the directory you're going to search for your images. You can change this quite simply by clicking on the dots and then just clicking OK on a directory you'd like to search. Swap through, pretty intuitive, just click on whatever you need. This add button here, what it will do is that it'll actually do the search. Click that at the end. This recursively function will search for subfolders. So as you saw, I had tree. So if that's unticked, it'll search photos. When it's ticked, it'll search photos and the folder tree. Volumes, you can create a whole range of different volumes. You'll be able to see here. Where are we? This one, you've got local file system. That's the default volume that's installed. You can add more of these. There you go, as an example of one. If I click on the dot, and then I'll add a new system in here. This by default will be ticked. If you just leave it ticked, it'll create a new group that'll be the date and the time that you run it. You can add your own ones in here. Clicking on the name again, there's an example of one there, and you can call that hello. Oh well, hello with the typo. There you go. And then you'll be able to see in here we've got a hello with the typo. Now I know you've got two things there. That'll fix up when you actually run the search. Now when you run this, make sure you actually click on the one you want to search, because otherwise it won't work properly. These restrictions, what you can do is you can put restrictions in the actual file name. So if you type in a word there, it'll exclude all files that have that in the file name. You can put restrictions on how small you want the file to be. So here if it's less than 10 kilobytes, it'll be ignored. Same with dimensions, anything less than 100 pixels will be ignored. You can also exclude extensions on the file, so JPEG or GIF or whatever you like. Now these options down the bottom, I don't actually know what these are for. I haven't found out, can't really be bothered. If you guys find out, just let me know and I'll post another video about it. So now we'll just run a search. Now you see down the bottom is 7 images. 7 images is not the amount of images that got added, it's the amount of images that it found. So when we go in here, we'll have a look at hello. See, there's 5 images there, meaning 2 got skipped because they were ignored in this criteria here. So yeah, so you'll have it in two different things. You'll see local file system. So under the file system you choose, it'll then put the directories. So if you add a new folder in here, this will then update, or assuming you do the search. And then you can see by groups, you can group these however you like and do a specific search for each. If you have any problems, please let us know and I'll try and create another video to help.